What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I just came to pick up my daughter from my mom's and figure today I just go ahead and throw the door panels on real quick before we go home and call it a day after that. One. Those four. And I don't think I showed you guys in the exhaust video, but this is the old stock exhaust I had on there. Isn't that freaking crazy? Definitely an upgrade.
Close my eyes before I cross the street. If a car about to hit me, then he ought to beat. Watching Dawson's Creek till I fall asleep. It's harder than it seems, I'm underwater in my dreams. I'm in all this jigsaw, puzzle's not complete. I'm just an idea, nothing concrete. Came to raise limits, get higher than plane engines. They trying to change with us, but come to the same difference. Shut your pie hole, I'm dope and I know. My voice sound like it was a sample off of vinyl. I don't, my nose, hating on my style. I tend to take the high road, get stoned and fly low. I'm no god, I don't think that I'm a human though, cause I'm so odd. People selling drugs cause they can't find no job. Wonder if Christ made $1 million off of selling the cross. Let bygones be
Got the driver and passenger door panel on so far. Let's go throw the rears on quick and that'll do it. Got the last two on, man. Sounds like a real car again. Heck yeah. Sorry for the mess, but I still have so much stuff to do to this car. I still need to lower the front just a hair. I want to bring the rear up just a tad. Trying to get rid of some of that camber. Honestly, if it wasn't my daily, I'd probably just put it on the ground. I want to do my trunk. I'll show you guys kind of what I've been thinking about doing. I have it stripped out right now because honestly, some of this weather stripping is just like disgusting. Like it's just ate up, and a lot of water, like when it rains, it just leaks all inside. So I stripped everything out. What I want to do is just probably degrease all of this and clean it super good, and then I would like to recarpet the whole trunk. And then instead of using this spare, I'm going to use one of the old tires I had, one of my Steelies on. I'm just going to use those as spare tires. And then what I really want to do is get a few 2x4s and kind of layer them out, look like a truck bed, and stain them, make them look super clean. I think that'll look really good in here. I need to do that. I need to get the AC figured out. I need to get the speedometer figured out. Probably whenever I do the coilovers and stuff, what I really want to do is pull the two front seats out and then the whole rear cushion on the bottom and just completely vacuum the whole car and get it as clean as I can. And this car has a lot of stains in it and I have not touched any of them. They're still in good shape, they're just pretty dirty. And then, you know, eventually new speakers, a new radio. It's just, there's still so much stuff I need to do and the list is never ending. And that's actually a good thing for me because I love working and I want to put out as much content as I can. But I think she's coming along pretty good. I need to redo all the weather stripping in all these windows. I want to take all this trim off, sand them down, paint them black. I want to get new tent. It's just, I could go all day. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Sorry it's super boring, but I'm glad my door panels are finally on. Let's shut it down and let's get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate it.